In this video, I'll show you a few steps on making the pleated mask. So you're going to have two pieces of fabric cut to the same size. The piece of fabric that will be the front of your mask, you'll take one piece of elastic and you're going to pin it here, not quite to the edge, maybe about an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch. You're going to put a pin there. And this other end of the elastic gets pinned on this side. Now that is going to make your fabric bunch up just a little bit. It's not going to lay flat anymore, but that's okay. We're going to be pleating it at the end. So on this end, it looks like that when it's pinned. And then on this end, you're going to do the same thing, pinning it close to the end, but not at the end. And then this comes around here. Now it might seem funny that you're putting the elastic in this direction. It's not sticking out for your ears. But later you'll find out, you'll see kind of how that works out in the end. Now you take your other piece of fabric and you lay it over the top. I know it won't lay flat because the elastic doesn't allow it to. But you're going to pin all the way around. And when I pin all the way around something, I often try to pin on one edge and then another edge. And pin the edges first or the corners first. And then later I can pin in between. So I'm just matching the fabric. And the elastic is hidden inside right now. You don't really see that elastic. Now you'll pin here and here, here and here, here and here. And you can kind of see just the shadow of that elastic through there. And then on one of the long edges, you'll leave a spot where you can turn this right side out because it is now inside out at this moment. So sometimes to remind myself at that spot where I want to leave, I put a double pin. So now, let's see if you can see that on my screen. I should straighten it up a little bit. There you go. So here's the mask. You've got the right sides together. You can see the shadow of the elastic on the inside. And after you put a few pins here and here and here, you're ready to sew. And you'll start here and you'll do a 3/8 inch seam allowance, backstitch when you start. When you turn the corner, remember to leave your needle down, sew all the way around until you get to this other double pin. At that point you'll backstitch. Then you can take all your pins out. From there, I'll do another video showing you the rest.